Hey, why are you using your phone? Edit videos.
Hey, this PC is very slow. I cannot edit the videos. It is crashing.
Lakshmi, I know how much frustrated you are, so I decided to buy a brand new gaming PC.
Really?
Yes. Yes, so come with me. Come. Yes. So we guys are now going to SP Road to buy a gaming PC. We are excited, right, Lakshmi?
Yes.
2,000 years later.
Seconds later.
ये लड़का बहुत ही मेहनत कर रहा है। प्लीज इस वीडियो को वायरल कर दो और सुपर से डुपर बना दो प्लीज।
Guys, my new gaming PC is here. Guys, look at this. It has 4 RGB fans, and guys, I carried this PC from 2 floors, guys, because I live 2 floors above. Guys, this PC has many features. Cabinet has
Yes, sir.
RGB.
इसमें कुछ नहीं है. रियल पीसी तो यहाँ है गाइस, यहाँ है.
Guys, this is my new gaming PC, guys. As I told you earlier that my old PC was struggling like anything. It was so slow, so I bought this new gaming beast, guys. It can play all the AAA games, and also it can do 1080p and 4K level of editing, guys, so which is insane. Now I'll tell you what are the components used here. The first thing is processor. As this is a APU build, this PC has Ryzen 5 5600G processor. Yes guys, Ryzen processor and 5600G, which is kind of latest processor, and the cost of this processor is 14,000 rupees, and which is a 6-core 12-thread processor, guys, and its base clock frequency is 3.9 GHz and max clock frequency is 4.4 GHz, guys, which means insane for the price. Motherboard, so it has Gigabyte B450M DS3H motherboard, guys, which is must motherboard because it has built-in M.2 slot where you can add your NVMe M.2 SSD in your motherboard, and this motherboard has RGB lights in it, guys, RGB lights. So this motherboard is here. So this one is the motherboard. The cost of this motherboard is 7,000 rupees. And guys, now the RAM thing. So as I do editing and gaming, so this PC has 8 GB RAM. Yes, 8 GB, not 16 GB. So guys, why 8 GB of RAM? Because I wanted to test how many games run on 8 GB of RAM, and also which video editing software will run smoothly on this 8 GB of RAM. So in future, if I need to upgrade my RAM, then I'll add another 8 GB of sticks, so it will be 16 GB of RAM. So it has 4 RAM slots in the motherboard where you can add up to 64 GB RAM, but mine is max up to 16 GB RAM because budget problems.
मैं गरीब हूँ.
And talking of storage, so this PC has 256 GB NVMe SSD. Guys, this SSD is from Kingston, and which is a super brand. And guys, why SSD? Because its read and write speed will be must. Guys, its read and write speed is up to 3000 megabytes per second, which is 3 GB per second, guys, which is insane because my old hard disk read and write speed was just 123 megabytes per second. Now this one is 3 GB per second, where I can do multitasking, and this boots like anything. This boots very fast, guys. Like when you hit the power button, tada, your PC booted to Windows 11. So this PC has Windows 11. So guys, this PC has no graphic card. Now I was having a tight budget, that's why no graphic card. In future I will upgrade this PC to 1660 Super or 1660 graphic card, or even 3060 graphic card into this PC, so it will be a killer PC. So guys, in AAA games I'm getting high FPS, which is like 50 to 65 FPS, that too with its onboard processor and its APU. So I played CSGO in 1080p resolution and I was getting 45 to 60 FPS. In Forza Horizon 4, the resolution was 1080p, means 1920 to 1080. So in Forza Horizon 4, I was getting 30 to 40 FPS. So in GTA 5, the resolution was 1080p high. So I was getting around 45 to 55 FPS, which is amazing because GTA 5 is actually high intensive game. And the next game I played is Fortnite. So in Fortnite, I actually played in 1080p low settings, and I was getting 100 to 120 FPS. Oh guys, as you can see here, 3263 megabytes per second. Yes guys, its read speed is 3.2 GB per second. So I ran Cinebench R23 and I got 10,161 score, and the single core score is 1405. So guys, this is my new gaming PC. Hope you liked my new gaming PC. So that's it for today. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.